All right, Auntie and Joshua here, composition time. And our composition, oh, we have to give it a title. But our composition, the exercise is the composition ends with the sentence, I will never go there again. So we had to decide what it is we have experienced that we said that. And it is that Joshua went to a park and it was a pretty lousy experience. The slide shaky, the swing shaky, Squeaky keeping a lot of noise, and Joshua wasn't feeling too happy or safe, right? So that was the experience. You have a title for this story, Joshua? You can hear me?
Yes, please.
We're going to come up with a title. What do you think you want to call it, or you haven't decided yet?
Never going back to the park again.
Never going back. To the park again. Okay. Never Going Back to the Park Again, an original story by Joshua Bishop. It was my first time going to the park, and after going on the slides, I went on the swing. I realized the swing was shaky and making squeaky noises. I didn't feel safe on there, so I went on another slide, and the other slide was shaking. So I went to another park, and when I went back on the swing, the same thing happened again. I was feeling angry and scared. After that, I never went back to a park. I will never go there again. Right? That was interesting. It's short, but that was very interesting, and he did a good job at conveying his emotions. Because imagine we're here picturing Joshua, this thing ain't working, so let me try this instead. The same thing. You mean everything? The part just popped down, so right? So you can imagine all alone. And remember, this was his first time going to a park. So how you would have been feeling if this was your first time, Joshua?
Scared and happy.
Scared and happy. That's interesting. I didn't even think about scared, but yes, because it's a new experience. Your honesty, yes. So you're happy, you're excited because it's the first time, but yet you're a bit, timid, a bit unsure. What is it going to be like? This is my first time. What will they see? Who will they see? How will they feel? Yeah. And then when he gone there now, probably you might look and the things look good. When you had saw the things before you got on them, Joshua, it had looked nice.
Pardon me?
When you arrive at the park and you look at the different things, before you got on them to realize that they were squeaky and so on, and you looked at them, they looked nice, like you thought you would enjoy them?
Yes.
Yes. See how looks could be deceiving? So when he first saw them, they looked nice, and he was looking forward to experiencing them, But then when you get on now, the experience, it falls short of the expectations. You're left feeling disappointed. Like, this what I come here for? I could have started home and play my game or spend my time differently, Yeah. So he was very disappointed. So these are some things that we could add to make the story more interesting. Your feelings even before you got there, these were the thoughts going through your head, and you kept asking Mommy, is it time yet? Is it time yet? What time are we going? And Mommy was like, 4 o'clock. Is it 4 o'clock yet? Not yet, Joshua. This one way. You're helping us to realize how excited you are, and then you're thinking about what you would wear, and you're imagining what you would do, and so on. And then you get there, you could even give us a bit on the drive, as you were making your way there, and you're thinking again, and so on. Conversation. Yeah, you get there, your first impression. And he said when he got there, his first impression was positive because the looks, you know, it looks nice, like it will be a lot of fun. But when you're going on now, hey, as I say, very disappointing. Probably give a bit more in terms of how you felt like with the squeaking and so on. Like in that moment when you start hearing the squeaking, are you hearing right? You know, this this really happened. But maybe it's just this, like, let me try that other one over there, and then you go the same thing again, you know, like it's really low. They can't believe this. You really so disappointing. All right, so that was a great job, Josh. Were you happy with your story?
Yes, please.
Yeah, we're gonna try and do a story at least. Not every lesson, maybe every 2 lessons. For sure, we won't let it go past 3 lessons. So we took a break from our maths today. Did you practice any tables or anything since last time?
Sorry?
Did you practice any tables since the last time we had lessons?
A little bit.
A little bit, yeah. That's all right. He will get there. He's doing really great. So let me stop composition time. And we can see what we're going to do now for our last. We got about 10-15 minutes. It's a late day because Joshua done school. His school finished this week. Yeah. So we ain't pushing too much.